In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by accessing Play Store and getting your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down and hit apps. Then select choose default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!